Solve this question. A certain amount was invested for 3 years at 20% compound interest per annum. If P denotes the difference between the interest earned in first and second year, and Q denotes the difference between interest earned in first and third year, and this difference is given as rupee 528, then find the principal amount. So the certain amount is invested for 3 years at 20% compound interest. In case of compound interest, I know the principal gets updated every year, right? Or we can say the interest earned in first year or the interest earned in previous year earns the interest for the next year. For example, if P is invested and this is the amount of interest earned on this principal for first year, then after end of first year, the amount I get is principal plus the interest. In case of compound interest, the principal for second year is not P but P plus I. It gets updated, right? P plus I. So for second year, at same rate of interest, the amount would be, this is the principal for second year, I am calling it P2 plus the interest amount. Now for the same rate of interest, for example, it is given that 20% compound interest rate is 20%, so it is 20%. So 20% on principal for 1 year is I, right? So for this P plus I, if rate is 20%, I would get the interest as 20% of P is I plus the 20% of this interest, which is 1/5 of this interest amount. So this is the interest component for second year, right? So what is the difference between amount on first year and second year? Amount on second and first year, it is the difference of this interest, and this interest is first year's interest plus interest on the first year's interest. Or if I write that the interest in first year on this principal is I, interest in second year on this principal is I plus I by 5, which is nothing but the difference of these two, which is given as P. The difference of these two is I by 5, or the interest on first year's interest, right? Now this principal gets updated for third year, which is P plus I upon 5, and with same rate of interest, I would get the amount as, this is the principal for third year, right, plus the interest amount with 20% rate of interest. I'll get I for this P principal, right? For this I with the 20% rate of interest, I would get I by 5. Next for this I by 5, and for I by 5, 1/5 would be I upon 25. This is third year's amount, and this is third year's interest. So the third year's interest would be same as second year's interest, I plus I by 5 plus the interest on this interest, which is I by 5 plus I upon 25, or the sum of this expression is, or I have to just note the difference. It is given that Q denotes the difference between interest earned in the first and third year. So this difference is given as Q. This difference, second and the difference of first year and third year, this difference for I3 minus I1, it is given as Q. So it is equal to I get cancelled, and it becomes how much? 11I upon 25. This is Q. Now it is given that Q minus P, I am writing it here, Q minus P, that is 11 times I upon 25 minus P is I by 5. Mind you, I is first year's interest at the rate of 20% compound interest. It is equal to rupee 528. If I solve this, I get 6 times I upon 25 is equal to 528. This get cancelled and I get I as this is 88. 88 into 25. It is 2200. So this is first year's interest. I is nothing but first year's interest on some amount at 20% rate of interest. So we can say 20% of some amount of this P is 2200, or 1/5 of this amount is 2200. So 100% of this amount, that is my principal, would be 11,000. Principal would be 11,000. So correct answer to this question, find the principal amount, it is 11,000.